Okay guys, we're going to show you how to put on your electric power bolt. Okay, first you want to get out all your pieces. Get all your pieces out. It looks a little confusing, but what we're going to want to do is get our two deadbolt screws, our exterior plate, and then this plate. Okay, this plate, you want your indentions out. Okay, and so this goes on the inside like this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put this through and put it right through our little hole there. Okay, good, very good. There it is. Okay, and then we're going to come around here. We're going to put that wire through right there. Okay, we're going to put that through, and it'll look something like that right there. Okay. Okay. We don't want to over tighten it, but this is what it should look like. Okay. We want to get our 3 small screws out of our package like this. Okay. This comes off. Okay. It's your battery. Notice you got 3 holes, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. That's what these screws go to. So we're going to connect this thing right here, red to red. Turn it up, pull it off. We're going to turn it this way, and then we're going to test it out now. Okay, there it is, good. And now we're going to put it back on. Okay, good. We got our lock working now. So now all we have to do is put our batteries in there. So we put our batteries in there. It made some beeping sounds. We'll put that on there, okay, so that nobody knows where your batteries are. Okay, and here we go is our power bolt instructions. And to start off with, it tells us to put 0, 0, 0, 0 and hit the lock button, and then 0. Okay, so now it knows which way is locked and which way is unlocked. So then we're going to go to the back of our paper here, and it tells us a couple of different things. It tells us how to delete all user codes. Okay, so if you want to delete everything that you've programmed, that it tells you how to do that. That's 0, 0, 0, 0, lock, and then 5, and then lock. Okay. Now here it says how to add user codes. All right. And so to add a user code, so we're going to do that right now. 3, 4. Okay, and then we can put, let's say, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the 2 beeps says that it was active. Okay, so that way, so if we lock our door and we put in 4, 5, 6, 7, it'll unlock it for us. Okay, so that's how to add a user code. Okay guys, we're going to show you how to set your quick set lock to your regular door lock. Okay, so it has that little hole right there. That hole tells you that you can reset it. First thing you want to do is make sure that your key, so here's the key that we have currently that works for our bottom lock. Okay, good. It does not work for our top lock. Okay, so the keys that came with our top lock, what we're going to do is we're going to put this in, and we're going to turn it sideways. We're going to put this little ding-a-ling thing that they put in there, and we're going to pull the key out, okay, while pushing that in. Okay, then we're going to put the key that we want in here, pull this out, and then bam, now that key works in that lock. It's that simple. Thanks for watching guys, please subscribe.